Hi everyone. Before I begin, I just wanted to say thank you very much for visiting my channel. I really do appreciate it. And if you're enjoying what you're watching, please like, subscribe, comment, share. I'm just having fun pouring a whole lot of baubles at the moment, and I'm just testing different color combinations, and I thought that I would share them with you, so giving you ideas if you're doing your own Christmas baubles. Today I'm going to be doing a white as red, a really nice, this is called a cadmium red, and a gold. And I'm using the Monte Mart pouring acrylic paints. These are already pre-mixed and they just work out really nicely. But I'm quite keen to see, I know this is a very traditional kind of Christmassy colors, but I thought it'd be quite nice to see how they turn out. So I've got my little mixing cup ready, and what I'll do is I'll just start mixing the paints and then I'll speed up the video. I'm going to go with the red first, then the gold, then the white. I think I'll create that sort of rotation. There we go. Ooh, wow, look at that red. Wow, it's nice. I always love cadmium red. It's just it's a really punchy red. Always looks good. The gold and white. So my colors all mixed up, and now we're ready to pour. So let's go for it. Wow. So nice. Sort of doing little rings now. See if I can get the last of that bit of red to come through. Gosh, that does look pretty. Goodness. The only thing is I've been so focused on this side that I forgot about that side. And I've got a big white gap there. But it's not a big problem, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to use what I've got in my cup, and I'm just going to start stitching it to this bauble and pull up from the bottom, and the weight of the top paint will go back into this neck, so it should be fine. We can have a look once it's been poured. I can show you the results. So it's ended up looking really lovely. The colors, and oh, it's amazing. So I was a little bit worried that this would, like I say, look quite candy cane, but not at all. I think it's stunning. Such lovely colors. It's been so much fun pouring all of these, I tell you. It really has been fun. Now I just want to slow down that paint a little bit, going down the stick. But yeah, that looks really lovely. Can't wait to show you the end result once it's dried. So I just wanted to show you the end results of these baubles, the poured results, I guess. And I think that this one's turned out really nicely. It looks lovely. It's interesting that there's the white is separated slightly, but I think that's just part of the sometimes white seems to do that when you pour it on baubles. I don't know why. But I do think, that's what it would look at from the top. That's what it looks like from the side. That's the underneath. I think the underneath looks really lovely. I do actually have a bauble e-course. It's available on Udemy. I will include the link below. and I sort of, in that I teach you all that you need to know to set up your workspace, basically to get going and pour some beautiful baubles. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it.